This is the ideal activity of Group 1 of Class 10th F. Role of major ports in exports and imports. Contents: Introduction to ports, historical perspective, geography and economics, globalization impact. Introduction: Ports as engine of global trade. Why ports matter. Globalization gateway. Introduction to ports as gateway. Importance of ports. Ports are essential infrastructure that connect countries to global trade networks. They handle 95% of India's international trade by volume and 70% by value, making them crucial for economic growth and globalization. Trade facilitation. Ports enable movement of goods between countries, supporting import-export activities that are backbone of modern economics and international commerce. Global connectivity. They serve as nodes connecting domestic products with international markets, facilitating culture exchange and technological advancement through globalization. Historical perspective. Ancient Indian ports. Indus Valley Civilization. Harappa and Lothal were among world's earliest planned ports, showing India's ancient maritime trade connections with Mesopotamia and other regions. Mauryan Empire. Ports like Bharuch facilitated trade with Roman Empire, Greeks and Southeast Asia, establishing India as central hub in Asian global commerce. Gupta period. Golden age of Indian Ocean trade with ports connecting India to China, Arabian, African through well-established maritime trading networks. Early globalization. Ancient ports enable cultural exchange, spread of religion, technologies and ideas across continents, laying foundation for modern globalization patterns. Medieval trade. Major port cities. Surat, Diamond Port, known as gateway to Mecca for Indian pilgrims, major center for textile and spice trade, connected with European and Arab traders. Calicut, spice capital, famous for black pepper and spice exports, Vasco da Gama's landing point in India, cultural melting pot of different trading communities. Masulipatam, pearl gateway, important for Dutch and English trade companies, center for pearl and diamond commerce, connected South India with Southeast Asian markets. Colonial period. British port development. Bombay, Mumbai port, developed as major commercial center by British. Natural deep harbour made it ideal for large ships. Became India's commercial capital and gateway for cotton, opium trade with Britain and China. Calcutta port, capital of British India, major river port on Hooghly, center for jute, tea and coal exports, connected vast hinterland through railways, establishing pattern of colonial resource extraction. Madras Chennai port, artificial harbour constructed by British for South Indian trade, important for cotton, groundnut exports, strategic location for trade with Southeast Asia and connection to interior regions. Globalization in history. Ports connecting India. Ancient trade networks. Indian ports were crucial nodes in ancient globalization, connecting civilizations through maritime silk routes, enabling exchange of goods, ideas, religion and technologies across continents. Colonial integration. British rule integrated Indian ports into global capitalist system. Steam navigation reduced travel time, regular shipping lines connected India to world markets, establishing modern patterns of international trade. Cultural exchange. Ports facilitated cultural globalization through centuries. Foreign traders, missionaries, scholars brought new ideas, technologies, architecture styles, creating cosmopolitan coastal cities with diverse populations. Modern major ports of India. 12 major ports. Western port, eastern coast, growth trends. Major ports handling bulk cargo, containers and petroleum products with excellent hinterland connectivity through road and rail networks. Mumbai, container hub and financial sector. Kandla, largest cargo handling port in India. Cochin, major transshipment and spice trading port. Eastern coast, ports serving mineral-rich hinterland, handling iron ore, coal and petroleum products for both domestic and international markets. Kolkata, river port serving northeast India. Visakhapatnam, deepest natural port handling minerals. Chennai, gateway to India and automobile hub. Growth trends. Indian ports showing consistent growth in cargo handling and modernization and efficiency improvements under government initiatives. Cargo volume increased to 855 million tons in 2024, container traffic growing at 10% annually. Vessel turnaround time reduced to 48 hours. Geography of ports, location and distribution. Natural harbors. Mumbai, Cochin and Visakhapatnam have natural deep water harbours providing shelter from storms, suitable depth for large vessel and container ships. Hinterland connectivity. Ports connected to productive agriculture and industrial regions through railways, highways, and inland waterways, enabling efficient cargo movements to and from interior areas. Strategic locations. Indian ports positioned on major international shipping routes connecting Europe, Middle East, Southeast Asia, and East Asia, making them crucial global trade nodes. Geographical factors affecting port development. Physical factors. Natural geographical conditions that determine suitability of locations for port development and their operational efficiency throughout the year. Deep natural harbors with sufficient water depth for large ships and container vessels. Protected coastline with natural breakwaters providing shelter from rough seas and monsoon storms. Suitable tidal conditions allowing easy entry and exit of vessels to different times. Climate factors. Weather conditions and seasonal patterns significantly impact port operations, shipping schedules, and cargo handling throughout the year. Monsoon seasons affecting shipping operations with rough seas limiting vessel movement and cargo handling. Cyclones and storms in Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea disrupting port activities and shipping schedule. Year-round operational allowing ports like Mumbai and Chennai to function continuously without minimal disruption. Ports as node of globalization. Shipping routes of connectivity, global supply chains, international trade partnerships. Port-based industries and employment. Employment generation. Direct employment for 2.5 million people in port operations, cargo handling and shipping and services. Indirect jobs in trucking, warehousing, customs and financial services supporting port activities. Skilled employment in port management, technology and specialized services boosting local economies. Port-linked industries. Petrochemical refineries near Mumbai and Chennai ports processing imported crude oil. Steel plants at Visakhapatnam and Paradip using imported coal and iron ore. Automobile manufacturing hubs at Chennai utilizing port connectivity for components import and export. Economic globalization through ports. Foreign trade impact. Indian ports facilitate 95% of international trade by volume, making them crucial for economic globalization. They enable India's integration into global value chains, attract foreign direct investment, and support export-oriented industries. Port efficiency improvements have boosted India's logistic ranking from 44th to 22nd globally, enhancing competitiveness in international markets. Challenges in globalization era. Modern port challenges, congestion issues, global competition, technology gaps, connectivity issues, and regulatory hurdles. Globalization to history. How ports are connected to India to the world. Ancient. Spice routes to Rome via monsoon winds. Medieval. Arabian and European traders connect ports. Colonial. British Empire integrates Indian trade. Modern. Global supply chains link markets worldwide. Government initiatives. Sagarmala and modelization. Sagarmala project. Comprehensive port-led development worth Rs 5.8 lakh crores, covering 839 projects. Focuses on port modernization, connectivity enhancement, and industrial development, creating integrated logistics ecosystem. Smart Port Initiative. Digital transformation through automation, IoT sensors, and AI-based cargo management. Port community systems enabling online documentation and reducing clearance time from days to hours. Green port development. Sustainable port operations through renewable energy, electric cargo handling equipment, and environmental protection measures. Target of achieving net zero emissions by 2047 under climate commitments. Conclusion. Ports as India's global gateway. From ancient trading ports to modern smart ports, Indian ports continue connecting nations with world through trade, technology, and cultural exchange, driving economic growth and global integration. Ports are windows through which nations look out to the world and the world looks into nations. Maritime development strategy. Indian ports have evolved from ancient trading posts to modern gateways of globalization. They remain crucial for India's economic growth, connecting domestic industries with global markets while facilitating cultural exchange and technological advancement in the digital age. Thank you.